Michigan, you better vote for me. I got you so many damn car plants. I got you a lot of plants. Is that right? I mean, have you seen what we're doing here? All the plants that have been built are being built. And what about the plants that are being expanded? They don't want to give you credit for that. They're just expanding. If I'm elected, you won't lose one plant. You'll have plants coming into this country. You're going to have jobs again. You won't lose one plant, I promise you. The long nightmare of jobs leaving Michigan will be coming to a very rapid end. And it's been amazing what's happened in Michigan, but honestly, it's been amazing what's happened in Ohio and North Carolina and South Carolina and Florida, New Hampshire, and so many other places. They're being built in Ohio, they're being built in South Carolina, North Carolina. They're being built all over and expanded at a level that we've never seen before. I went to Prime Minister Abe of Japan. I say, Prime Minister, you have to start doing something. You know, he's a great guy. He'll be retiring soon. He's a great guy. The Prime Minister of Japan, Abe. I say, Shinzo, you have to do me a favor. You've got to send car plants over here. You know, you're sending all those cars. We stupidly don't charge you tariffs on those cars that pour into our country. I said, Shinzo, you got to give us plants. No, I can't do that. That is up to the free enterprise system of Japan. I say, Shinzo, you're a powerful man. You can do it. Oh, I can't do it. The next day they announced 5 car companies are coming to Michigan, right?